Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Honda Pilot EXL all-wheel drive. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 139,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, CD changer, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, traction control, and power windows.